For centuries, people dreamed of leaving home and traveling to other worlds. Today, we are able to explore Earth and other planets, chase comets, and undertake experiments in space on the International Space Station. All this is made possible through the collaboration of many countries, including the 20 European member nations who are part of the European Space Agency. By working together, we can achieve much more than any one country could alone. Every year, new advances in technology allow us to explore deeper into space and undertake new experiments. It's an exciting time to be a space explorer. So, why explore space? By discovering new information about our universe, we are able to understand the origins of our solar system, look for traces of life on other planets, develop new technologies for use on Earth, such as satellite-based navigation, and gather important information to help protect everyone on Earth, for example, during extreme weather events. To explore space, we undertake missions that allow us to see into the furthest known reaches of the universe. Where humans cannot travel, we send unmanned spacecraft to send back information. These include the Rosetta mission, designed to study a comet many millions of kilometers away, and the Gaia mission, a satellite designed to map the billion stars in our Milky Way. Many people are involved in research, testing, and training to design and deploy space missions, which are helping us to uncover new information about the universe and our home, planet Earth. To track the missions and keep in contact with the spacecraft, the European Space Agency operates some of the world's most sophisticated tracking stations. These stations stay in radio contact with the spacecraft as they orbit Earth or voyage deep into our solar system. Engineers send telecommands and receive vital spacecraft status information and scientific data during the missions. One of these stations is here in New Norcia. It is specialized in tracking deep space missions. There are 2 more stations with this special capability located in Spain and Argentina. All stations are centrally controlled from the European Space Operations Center in Germany. The New Norcia station has a very large 35-meter diameter reflector dish, weighing in at 610 tons that can be rotated with extreme accuracy. The large size of the dish allows engineers to track a spacecraft even when it is more than several million kilometers from Earth, for example, orbiting Mars or Venus. New Norcia was carefully selected as it lies an equal distance from the stations in Argentina and Spain and allows for full sky coverage as the Earth rotates. The location is away from radio noise found in large cities caused by common devices such as mobile phones. For space communication, the quieter the surroundings, the better. The dry local climate is also important, as both wind and rain can cause interference with the operation of the antenna. Construction of the 40-meter high antenna was completed in 2002. It is one of the largest in the world, used for sending radio telecommands to spacecraft. The engineers in New Norcia work with a team in Germany to track the spacecraft and operate the missions. The European Space Agency's Comet Chaser, Rosetta, was launched in March 2004 on board an Ariane 5 rocket. Since then, it has been chasing down a comet to land a probe on its surface and unlock its mysteries. Rosetta has made 3 flybys of Earth and 1 of Mars to help speed it towards its rendezvous with the comet, encountering 2 asteroids along the way. In June 2011, Rosetta was placed into deep space hibernation as it cruised nearly 800 million kilometers from the warmth of the Sun, close to the orbit of Jupiter. On the 20th of January 2014, Rosetta woke up to get ready to meet the comet 67P Churyumov-Gerasimenko. During Rosetta's interplanetary expedition, reliable communication between the spacecraft and Earth are essential, and the New Norcia tracking station is playing a crucial role. A European Space Agency mission named Gaia is helping scientists find out more about the Milky Way. This clever spacecraft can observe, map, and measure 1 billion stars. It can also help to produce a detailed 3D image of the galaxy, something that has never been done before. This information will help astronomers solve some of the big mysteries of the universe, including the exact shape of our spiral galaxy. Scientists can also use Gaia's data to rewind history to see how our galaxy was formed. The European Space Agency's Mars Express mission was launched on the 2nd of June 2003. It is studying and photographing the planet Mars, which has fascinated humans for thousands of years. It is gathering information about the planet's atmosphere and the surface and interior up to 5 kilometers below the surface using specialized instruments. The information we find will help answer many questions about Mars, such as what happened to the water that once flowed freely on the planet's surface, and whether life was ever possible on the red planet. It's an exciting time in the history of space exploration, and the New Norcia tracking station is helping humans reach the stars. You can find out more about the European Space Agency and space exploration in videos and images on our website.